so much for having us today, Mr. President. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll get to the flood control projects first.
Okay.
Okay. Meron kayong binubuong independent body, no, para imbestigahan yung mga anomalous flood control project. Can you tell us sino yung mga kasama dito sa independent body na ito?
Well, what I can tell you is that unang-una, nagbubuo nga tayo ng tinatawag naming Independent Commission. Wala pang formal name. Pero yun ang binubuo namin. Independent Commission para imbestigahan ito nga mga lumalabas na anomalya sa mga flood control project. Yung mga personalities, ayoko namang maunahan ang actual na announcement dahil hindi pa solid talaga, pero malapit na.
Pero paano sila maiba po sa mga existing agency like COA, Ombudsman?
They're completely separate from government.
But how powerful will they be?
We will give them all the powers that are necessary for them to come to a conclusion, to come to some findings, para meron naman, alam natin kung ano yung nangyari. At isa pang bagay dito na napakahalaga para sa akin, dahil ang lalim na ng problema. Ang nais ko talagang malaman, paano ba tayo umabot sa ganito?
Paano nga ba?
Hindi nga,
bakit maging ganitong ka-massive corruption?
Ako'y governor, hindi ganito. At bukod pa sa laki ng halaga ng nakukuha ng kung sino-sino na tao na wala namang karapatan na bulsahin ang pera na yan, bukod pa ron ay hindi nila tinatago.
Karapala na po. In your words, it's economic sabotage.
Yeah. Kasi ngayon sila walang pakialam.
But how did it become that way? Why?
This is what I really.
So brazen?
How did we evolve? How did the system evolve? So it became like this. It did not happen overnight. This happened over many decades. And we have to figure out kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari para hindi na mangyari ulit, to put the safeguards in place. If it requires legislation, if it requires restructuring the government, lahat yan kailangan natin gawin. Pero kailangan natin malaman kung paano tayo hindi. Ako, nasasyak ako, hindi ako makapaniwala na nandito na tayo na ganit na ang gobyerno na.
But so many regimes and it just keeps getting worse. So
it did.
So how did we get here, and what can we do now?
Well, I cannot give you a complete answer to how did we get here. The simplistic answer will be, paano tayo nagkaganto? Dahil pinabayaan. And what can we do? What we can do is to find out how this happened.